Hey everybody, I'm Josh.
And I'm Rachel. Over the past year, we've been able to bring you along with us as we've traveled to Vegas 6 times to some of the nicest hotels and restaurants. In this video, we're going to show you how we were able to do it with very little cost to us.
We've tallied our comps over the past year, and it equals over $15,000 in freebies.
Obviously, in Vegas, nothing truly is free. So stick around to find out what comps we received, tips we've learned along the way, and how much gambling it really did cost us to get there. Let's go!
Here we go.
This video is going to focus mostly on M-Life properties, where we are currently Platinum and have been for several years. You will be able to apply this to other programs since all major Las Vegas casinos have their own programs and work in a similar fashion. Free hotel rooms is how you can expect to see the most comps from your casino play. Some of them will still require resort fees. Luckily, ours does not. Our first room that we stayed in was at the Mirage. It was a one-bedroom suite where it was valued at $1,756. Our second room that we stayed in was at Mandalay Bay. We were upgraded to the Reef suite, which was a value of $1,562. We stayed at Nomad over Super Bowl weekend and were able to stay in the Grande suite, which was valued at $2,200 during that weekend. You will see that prices fluctuate during weekdays versus weekends and when there's busier events going on. We stayed in the Aria corner suite, which had our favorite bathroom and had a value of $1,741 over one weekend. This was during the opening weekend of March Madness. We were able to stay at New York in the Marquis suite, which does have a hot tub in the room, which is valued at $1,000 for 3 nights. Our most recent stay, and probably the best stay for a long term, would be at Vdara, which does not have a casino at it. The room was valued at $900 for the 4 nights we were there. Our total room savings equals out to over $9,000. Resort credit is one of the best ways for you to redeem comps through your casinos in Las Vegas. This money can be used towards food and beverage items. At the Mirage, we were able to get $325 in comps. Mandalay Bay, $300. Nomad, $400. Aria, $200. New York, $450. And Vdara, $200. All this can be used across the M-Life platform as long as you charge it to your room. It does not have to be special to each casino that offers the money. Our total resort credit comes out to $1,875. Freeplay is another way that you can receive comps through your Las Vegas casinos. This does not equal out to cash money, but it does equal out to play in the machines, so you can end up making more money than what they offer. At the Mirage, we got $250, Mandalay Bay, $400, Nomad, $400, Aria, we got $725, New York, $450, and at Vdara, $725. That actually went to Aria because Vdara does not have a casino. Our total free play that we were offered in the last year was $2,950. Other perks that we've been able to take advantage of as Platinum members includes Limo Service to and from the airport. We are not able to utilize this at all casinos because we don't have a high enough play level, but anywhere other than Aria, Bellagio, and Vdara, we are able to get a free limo ride. We value that around $75 per trip, since that's how much it would cost to book through other limo services. As a Platinum member, we do get a welcome letter each time that we check in. With that, you can get 2 tickets to Shark Reef Aquarium, Bellagio Gallery of Fine Art, Big Apple Roller Coaster, or Siegfried and Roy Secret Garden. The most exciting thing that we did with Platinum this last year includes we just went on a 4-night Caribbean Coco Cay cruise through Royal Caribbean, valued at $610. This is something that you can get every year as a Platinum member. Here are some of the tips we've learned along the way to help you maximize earning comps next time you're in Las Vegas. The first tip is very simple. Find the rewards desk, sign up for a card, and use it. Every time you gamble, put it in the machine or give it to the dealer if you are at a table. Tip number 2, link your card to your room reservation and charge everything to the room if possible. This is going to ensure that all of the points will be earned and put on your player's card. If you don't do this, you can get receipts and take them to your rewards desk and they can ensure that you get your points. But this will just make it easier. Make every point count. If you're like us, you are not a high roller and not able to gamble away thousands of dollars at every casino to take advantage of their rewards program. This is why tip number 3 is to focus on your gambling to 1 to 3 casino programs. We like to stay, play, and dine at M Life Properties and Cosmopolitan, which is why about 70 to 80% of our play is at M Life, 20% at Cosmo. We do almost no gambling at Caesars, Wynn, or Venetian properties to focus on building our comps. Tip number 4 is to tier match when able. Casinos want your business and are willing to match statuses to lure you away from your current casino at times. While we don't play at Caesars or Wynn, we have been able to match our M Life Platinum status to Diamond at Caesars and Platinum at Wynn. Both of these have gotten us over $100 in dining credit at these properties with little to no play. Tip number 5 is to stick to your budget and don't chase comps. You will generally pay a lot more money trying to get to that next tier status for that elusive perk. On the M Life website, you can track your wins and losses at each casino. Here's mine for 2021. What the casino is looking at is your theoretical loss, not actual loss. Theoretical loss takes a look at the house advantage, the average bet, and the duration that you play. Coin in is a better indicator of this. Here you will see my coin in for 2021 is just under $44,000 played, but my win-loss is currently at a negative $1,100. From the amount of money that you put in the machines and play, there is a theoretical loss that the companies go off of, and these determine your comps. Here are some of our current offers with the level of play you just saw. These do fluctuate with more or less gaming and generally update on the first of the month. Here is our current reservation that we are taking advantage of, and hope you are able to as well by utilizing the information in this video. If you're enjoying our videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.
And follow us on social media platforms. All of our links are down below: Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Thank you.
Thank you.